Papunta sa'yo yung Radiant, harap sa'yo. Southeast.
Mula sa likod o mula sa castle?
Castle.
Mula sa west, mula sa castle, mula sa castle.
NBC 3-way.
Wrapping na.
Nag-ibi yung bomba.
Ingat.
Hitting na sa inyo. Diyan na nakaharap mismo. Wala na yung agila dito ah.
Bago walang damage yun.
Shallow northwest guys, ready? Shallow northwest 3. Hold. 2. Kamakad, salkan.
Sige po.
Ready, may cooldowns pa kaya? Ready guys.
Sieging na lang west side agila. Sieging na lang west side agila.
1, just on this guys. Almost.
Careful ah. Nagsisig lang yung agila sa west side.
Okay. Kami na bit. Kill.
Si Three-way nasa southwest nyo ah.
Okay.
Mounting. Trying to go out to 3-way.
Go out. Kami na bowling ko yun.
May skull mark ka, wall pa.
May skull mark mo.
Where are they
Skull mark.
now?
Oo.
They fighting?
No.
Not yet. Some people bump
yet.
northeast. Some people
They're not fighting yet. Agila is outside of the castle.
Bump northeast gate.
They're fighting now. Radiant is facing Agila now.
Bang faster.
Come back here.
Check lang ako sa
They're
bago.
going outside of the castle.
Ayun, minuo si Brink.
May labas ako.
Oh my god bro, just double OC. The fuck?
Yun. Ren Ose.
Radiant going back inside castle.
Okay, come in. Ready guys, northwest. Ready. Northwest now in 3, 2, 1. Nakabak. May engage na. Be careful over the wall northwest. Be careful over the wall northwest. Oh my god, the red don't have boots. Be careful over the wall northwest, boys!
Nawala si 3-way dito baka nandiyan sa
Kaka-hit lang niya.
Okay.
Bobo talaga.
Agila, sieging southwest.
Check lang ako backline mo ah. Southeast.
Going ako.
Pabonk yung northeast.
Wala akong hammer.
Come northeast. Wag mo ibonk. Don't finish that hit. Come northeast.
Kahit na escalation dyan, Kip ah.
Sige lang. We'll do shallow, guys. Ready ah. Shallow. Northwest in 3. Hold. Wala.
Ilya, dito ka pwesto para ma-stop mo. Ilya, dito ka
Come
pwesto.
southeast, guys. Come southeast. You're good.
Agila inside already.
Guys, ready. Guys, defensive. Uy. Wake up, boys. Wake up. Come back. Defensive. Come southwest, guys. Ready, guys. On top of us, boys. Hold. Come southwest. Northwest now, guys. Ready. Push northwest, boys. Push northwest, boys. Ready, northwest, boys. Northwest now on the gate. In 3, 2, 1. Everything up. Ha? Guys, hold down. Wala kang damage? No DPS?
Na ano?
Sandwich nila dyan, Gip. We can hold.
Bong this. Hold this. May cooldowns pa kayo?
5 seconds.
Okay. Bong. Fast. Ready defensives, ha? Ready defensives. Nice.
They just hit Agila.
Keep bonking.
Uy, Jel, ano yan?
Keep bonking.
Madamage pa.
Ready DPS ah.
Yeah.
Huwag ako may nalasit dito talaga.
Come na sa bed. Hold here. Guys, ready defensive sa inyo. Yes.
May engage Agila. Careful lang.
May engage din sila. Just be careful. Mabigat engage yan, ha.
Careful lang. Just clear northeast.
Heal run.
They just hit.
They're looking. Come southeast more. Ready, guys. Ready. Northwest now. Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Northwest man. Kill them, boys. Damage, guys. Prevented. Come southeast more. Come southeast more. Bonk now. Ready, bonk. Keep bonking. You guys have defensives? Do you guys have defensives? Bonk.
Radiant, I have J. Looking na ako sa unahan mo, wala sa backline.
Sige lang. Just hold it.
Hanapan niyo si Ellie. Sino si Ellie? Pa-mark ka si Ellie. Keep ano?
Bonus.
Mark. Ellie.
Ay, nasa freeway. Hold.
Ba't galit ka kay Radiant?
Slowly. Chill lang kayo.
Si Ellie. Pakihanap yung IG na.
Asan yung
Southwest.
Come northwest. Guys. Wake up. Come northwest. Wake up.
Lumalabas sa Radiant.
Radiant going out. Radiant trying to go out. They're trying to go out.
Looking at you.
4, 3, 2, 1, Sao is now, Sao is on me, Sao is on me, Sao is on me, ang laki gago, ang bagal ng DPS natin, come South.
Okay.
Come North.
Dying.
Come Northwest lang. Sige, guys. Come Northwest. Hold this now. Come Northeast.
Agila looking.
Cool down. Excuse me, North is full push your range.
Northeast, Radiant.
Okay, guys, ready.
Radiant trying to go out.
Full push. Agila South natin, no? Sige, full push.
Yeah. Southeast.
Okay, come Southeast now.
Sige lang, habulin mo.
Ready, come Southeast now. Come Southeast now. Alis kay. On Terencio, 3, hold, 2, 1, on Terencio.
Dito nahanap yung ano? Eli.
Southeast Agila.
Come Southeast.
Oh.
Come Southeast, hold here. Cool down.
Agila looking
Yeah.
Catch them, type. Di na ako pwede
Hold this.
magsumama. Ano, out muna ako kasi 17M na yung loot.
Come Southeast.
Matay si Eli. Gago siya nag-loot nun.
Come Southeast. Walk with me, fast. Stop Agila.
Yan. I'm going out. I need to go out. Masyado na ako marami.
Ha?
Wait,
Ina mo, may keno. Ang sarap mo.
Come Gasel.
Magkano yung loot ba ni
May
Eli? Magkano yung loot ni Eli?
Ha?
Guys, guys, loot.
Open
split yan,
chest.
Sa atin ba? Hindi, may lord pa yan. May lord pa.
Kaya nga, flip.
Nakuha na yung castle.
Nakuha na. Sarado na.
Nakuha na yung castle.
Flip yun lang.
Anong gamit ni Eli?
Drop is
Tropa ko
3.
yun eh.
Nakalocus.
Ay, gagi lumagpas sa'yo, Olpa, hindi mo napansin?
Yung ano?
Si Eli lumagpas sa'yo, dito tumakbo.
Gago, keep.
Patay na siya,
Sana
patay na
clap
siya.
Ang bagal ng damage natin. Yun lang yung
Ewan ko, yan yung damage natin doon guys. Ang nagaling yan sa brawl.
Yung isa na
sobrang
ano,
bagal, legit.
Parang
Yan,
ano,
yan.
last
Nakita
time
mo-
mo na